Good morning, Madam Lucy. I saw your message on my WhatsApp DM.
Yes, sir. I'm worried. Lately my breasts have started sagging, and I don't like it. What should I do, doctor?
There are different ways you can prevent or treat saggy breast. But in today's lecture, I will be discussing with you on 7 ways you can prevent or reduce the risk of sagging breast.
All right, doctor, I'm all ears.
There are several things you can do to improve breast firmness. One of them is manage a healthy weight. You don't necessarily need to lose weight, nor do you need to gain weight. Instead, keep weight consistent and at a level that's healthy for you. This may prevent breast sag and make your breast firmer, as losing or gaining weight suddenly can cause the breast to sag. So to prevent this, maintain a consistent body weight. Number 2. Find a well-fitting, comfortable bra. This especially applies to workouts, such as jogging, or any form of workouts that you do. A sports bra, with ample support, with molded cups, can reduce breast motion, thereby making your breast more firmer while you do your workout. Not wearing a bra during workout or exercise increases the breast motion, leading the breast to stretch and eventually sag. But this is only applied to workouts. When you are not working out, you don't need a bra to prevent breast sag. In fact, wearing the wrong bra size may have more negative effects than not wearing one at all. Number 3. Try a pectoral muscle workout. While there are no muscles in the breast itself, you can work the muscles underneath. These are called the pectoral major muscles. Some workouts target these, and they may give your breast a little natural lift. So, when next you go for workout, target the pectoral muscles. It will help a lot. Number 4. Don't smoke. If you are smoking already, quit smoking.
Why, doctor? I like to smoke.
Yeah, me too, I like to smoke. But we don't do everything we love to do, right?
That's correct, doctor.
Now listen, smoking accelerates the aging process. Aging causes the tissues, including ligament, to lose firmness. Smoking specifically speeds aging by destroying elastin, a protein that helps the skin remain supple. When you smoke, you don't just increase the aging process of your cell system, you also destroy the elastin of your skin. And this is one of the major causes of breast sag.
This one, choke.
E-choke. True. Now let's continue. Number 5. Get a hormone test. A drop in the hormone estrogen, which occurs normally during menopause, may be associated with a decrease in tissue collagen. Finding healthy ways to boost estrogen level, such as with phytoestrogen or supplements, may improve breast shape and form. Talk to your doctor before trying to raise your estrogen level. Number 6. Carefully consider pregnancy. If your desire for unchanged breast appearance is greater than growing your family, then avoid getting pregnant too often. Studies shows that the more pregnancies a woman has, the more likely she will experience saggy breast.
Omo. The matter now be here.
Stop making me laugh with your funny pidgin language. Number 7. Gel plastic surgery. Many different surgical procedures can lift the breasts. These can help restore your breasts to a more youthful, supple appearance. It's an expensive option, but has the most dramatic results. In our next class, we will be discussing on natural remedies for sagging breasts. Make sure you don't miss that class.
No, sir, I can't miss a class. How much is the lecture? Because this can't be free.
Let me dance for you first, before I tell you the price. Give them. Pankalo style. You day feel
Ha 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 ha.
Anyways, the lectures are free. The only thing you need to pay me is like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. This will encourage me to do more videos. Thank you.